Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm in coaching center. So today I'm going to explain you our business study 4th chapter, consumer education and productions last part. So don't forget to watch the description of this video. So let's come to next topic, that is Consumer Protection Act. Consumers Protection Act. So this act was started by the people, started by the people, by the people, by the people who suffered, the people who suffered from the cheating made by traders or producers. So the traders or producers who cheated them did not give the products what they asked and taken the money. Then that people started the Consumers Protection Act. And this act made made pressure on government, made pressure on government. So they made pressure on government and tried to say that producer should not cheat consumers. They started to say and put pressure on government, this should not happen. Then the 30 Act or came into regulation to protect the consumer's right. Means they had right to protect consumer right. So like this, Consumer Protection Act came into establishment to protect the to stop the cheating happened by the producers to consumers. So next one is World Consumers Day. So World Consumers Day is also celebrated. Consumers Day. Of consumers in history of consumers. March 15, 1962 was an important day for consumers. Important day for consumers. On that day, American President John F. Kennedy gave American Consumers Protection Act. Consumers Protection Act. From that day, March 15th is considered as 15th is considered as Consumers Day. So they may ask for 1 marks when Consumers Day is celebrated or Consumers Day is considered. So you have to write March 15 if they ask for 1 marks. So what are the main objective of this act, Consumer Protection Act? Let's know first objective. They may ask for 2 to 3 marks this question. 2 to 3 marks they may ask. So the act gives importance to safety and quality of the product. Safety and quality of the product. So the Consumer Protection Act gives the importance to the safety and quality of products. There should be safety to the product and quality should be there. And avoiding production and sales of dangerous goods. Means some dangerous goods are there they are avoiding this Consumer Protection Act are avoiding to sell that goods, and they should not produce that goods. Supervision, supervision, supervision of quality, weight measurement. They should check weight, quality measurement, and they should see all the things is correct or not in that product. Should not arise there should not arise any problem to consumers, to consumer to consumers, and creating awareness to consumers by consumers education. Means they should aware about these rights, consumer rights, what they creating awareness to consumers by consumer about this Consumer Protection Act and other acts by giving them education about this. So next topic is rights of consumers and producers. So some rights of consumers and producers. The consumer should have right to information. They should have right to information. They should give information to that about the weight of product, what is the product, weight, quality of the product, and measurement. About knowing this measurements, they should have right to know about this, have right to know about this, to know about this. They should have right to know about this. Next right is right to choose. They should have right to choose which product they want, which goods they want. They should have right to choose the product and goods. To be heard means they should be aware of that goods. Right to be heard about that goods from others. They should be heard about that goods from others. They are from their friends or from their relatives or from anyone. They should be heard about that goods, or they or who is selling the goods. He should give the information about that goods, how it is, what is its quality. And right to consumer education. Consumers education means there should be education about Consumer Protection Act. And right to stop the exploitation means right to stop the cheating done by the producers or traders. They should have right to stop the exploitation or cheating done by the producers. And right to see healthy environment. Right to see healthy environment means they should see that whether the thing is correct and how they made it is correct or not. They made in good environment, or it is some problem there it may affect them. So they have right to see that healthy environment. This topic is consumers dispute redress agency. There are three types in it. District forum, state forum, and national commission. So let's learn about these things. District forum means first district forum. There shall be one district forum in each district. One district forum in each district. In each district there shall be one district forum. In each district there shall be one district forum. And the judge will be chosen by state government. And if some complaints has came, some complaint complaints has came on goods and service on goods and service and services he will take less than 20 lakh as punishment, or he should pay 20 lakhs to that court because he had in district because he had cheated that person, he had cheated the consumers, so he should pay less than 20 lakhs. He should pay 20 lakhs to that court. State commission. So this is state forum. Let's learn about state forum. So the judge is the president of so the high court judge is the president, means high court judge. The high court judge is the judge of that court, state court. It takes the cases more than 20 lakh. If anyone has any 20 lakh, if any producer who produces the product has cheated the consumer of more than 20 lakh, the state formal takes the action, and he should. And here goods and service. So if someone complaint has came on goods and services and it is less than 20 lakh, less than 20 lakh, then the district court will take that case, and it should not increase more, and it should be less than 1 crore. You should take more cases more than 20 lakh, means who has cheated the consumer of rupees 20 lakh or more, but he should not reach 1 crore. Next last is National Commission. They may not ask to differentiate, maybe. National Commission. So the judge of Supreme Court. President. Supreme Court is be the judge of Supreme Court, and he should be appointed by central government. Same here only he should be work as the judge in High Court, and he should be appointed by the state government. Here central government will appoint him, and he will take the cases more than he will take if the producer has cheated the consumer of more than 1 crore. Take the case of 1 crore. He will take the case of 1 crore. He will take 1 crore. He will take 20 crore. The state forum will take less than 20 lakhs, and the district will take less than 20 lakh. State will take more than 20 lakh, and issue will be less than 1 crore, and the national court will take the case more than 1 crore or 1 crore. He will take. There is a method followed to file a case in the consumer court, the state forum or the district forum or national commission. There is a method to file a case in the consumer courts, and they may ask this question for 2 to 3 marks, so don't forget to read this question also. There is no prescribed form to file a case, means there is not written to file a case in this court. There is no prescribed means how to file. They did not set, means like this only you should file. It is not said as we will file FIR like that. They did not say mention we should file like this only the case. So here you can let's know next. One thing is the complaint should be typed or handwritten. It should be typed or handwritten. The complaint should be typed or handwritten. It should be. Complaint should have the name of person. Complaint should have name of person, person, telephone number, issue telephone number and his full address. Should that complaint should contain this thing. And next one is mention. You should mention the person. You should mention that person or organization. Organization on whom he is filing the complaint. He should write that organization name or that company name. It is an organization or it is a person name. He should write in that file. And he should mention the type of goods. He should mention type of goods. That is that type of goods that has been cheated for him. Means which goods, by which goods they are cheated, means they are sent which type of goods. Which type of goods they should be written in that page. There is no fees or stamp duty. Means there should be no fees or stamp duty to this complaint. There is no fees they will take on this complaint. To handle this case, no lawyer is needed. So to handle this case, no lawyer is needed. You can only handle this case. Because you are get cheated. You should only handle this case. So these are the methods followed to file a case in consumer court. So they ask for 2 to 3 marks. Remember this. So for here your business study or 4 chapter are finished. And don't forget to watch the description of this video. I will put these pages as making PDFs in the description of this video. And subscribe, and if you like my video, I think you all understand this chapter, like my video or dislike my video, and comment how was my video. If you have any doubt, put it on the comment of my video, and subscribe my channel for more video. So okay friends, bye, see you, take care. I will meet you in tomorrow video. Till then, take care, see you, and tomorrow I will explain another chapter. So bye friends, and don't forget to watch the description of this video. So bye friends, see you, take care, and have a nice day.